You won't believe this. Yawning isn't just about being tired. It's way more fascinating. Scientists think yawning cools down your brain, keeping it in top shape, like an air conditioner for your mind. Here's the kicker. You can actually catch a yawn. Yup, it's completely contagious, thanks to something called mirror neurons. These neurons respond when you see someone else yawn, helping with social bonding within groups. And if you think only humans yawn, think again. Almost every vertebrate yawns, from fish to penguins, showing its evolutionary importance. So the next time you yawn, remember it's not just sleepiness. It's your body's way of staying sharp and showing connection. Isn't that wild?